everybody, welcome to another segment of this YouTube channel, and my name is Rini Rose Matthew. How have you been? I just thought of giving you some answers to all the questions that I have received. So it is a common confusion between learners, between people who want to develop their language skills on where and how to use somewhere, anywhere, sometimes everywhere also. What's the difference between everybody, everyone? It's okay. As I always say, you should not learn any language out of context. Do not learn grammar separately. That is not the right method. Yes, I'm insisting on this point again and again because people are doing it in the wrong way, and that is why you feel that you get lost somewhere. And sometimes people tell me that I'm not able to face strangers. Actually, that is not the problem. It is the inner fear that is misleading you. So I'll do another video totally on all these points. And by the way, in the next video, I'll be sharing my journey as a writer and how I became an established author of a few books, write-ups and things like that. So now it is the difference between anywhere, somewhere. When do we use these words? Okay, so I will be giving you some examples, at least one example for each so that you understand it better. Suppose you're asking somebody, did you go somewhere? Somewhere is used when you're partially or sometimes when you're completely sure that the person has gone somewhere. Listen to me carefully. Either you're sure partially or you are sure somewhat that the person has gone to some place and you want to find out which place exactly the person has gone to or what the person has been up to. Okay, so that is when you ask, where did you go? Did you go somewhere? Okay. The other example is, did you go anywhere? Now, anywhere is used when you are not sure of whether the person has gone to some place. You're just inquiring it casually. Okay. Now, I'll give you examples. The first case, somewhere. Suppose you're going to meet your friend. You just go to the place where your friend is staying and you see that the door is locked. Okay. And then you come back and whenever you contact your friend, you say, see, your door was locked. Did you go somewhere? So you're partially or you're completely sure that the person is not available inside the house. So you are just inquiring, like, I think you've gone out and I don't know where you went, you were not available, so did you go somewhere? So partially or completely sure. In this case, the person or you are completely sure that the person is not available. The second example, now coming to anywhere, okay? So suppose you're calling your friend, you're not in touch with the friend, you just want to know what is happening with the friend at their end. You call or text and ask, hey, how's your weekend? Any plans of going anywhere during the weekend? So you're trying to ask if the person has got any plans or any plan at all to go anywhere. So you're not sure if the person is going to go or if the person is making up a plan to go anywhere at all. Okay, so one is when you're completely or partially sure that is somewhere, some place. The other one is like you're not sure, you just say anywhere. Now, when do we use everywhere? When you say, yeah, I go everywhere. That is like all places. Okay. So somewhere, suppose you're telling somebody, just go somewhere to some place. That is, you know that, okay, this person is going to go to some place. You're not sure of the place, but the person is going to go to some place. Either a cafeteria or a park or a mall, whatever it is. Go anywhere is like, just go anywhere. Okay, it's not necessarily a place. You're not sure if the person is going to go. You're not sure if the person is going to really end up going somewhere. So that is like, there is a confusion there. Now, you need to remember that sometimes in some context, these two words, anywhere and somewhere, literally means the same. It means the same, yes. But in this particular context, for you to use it precisely, maybe these guidelines will definitely help you. Let this journey of learning English, let this journey of learning anything in this world be just possible for you, and stay positive. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next video. As I promised, I'm going to share my writing journey and how I started writing and things like that. Bye-bye.